Hi everybody. I know that our online enrichment and review days do not begin until Monday, but I just wanted to post a quick video just to check in. I hope that everybody is staying healthy and not being too bored at home. I'm sure you all miss school by now, miss learning, and that's why we're going to get back into the swing of things in a way starting on Monday. We're not going to be progressing the same way through our curriculum like we have been throughout the year. So we're not going to be diving into new topics about like the Middle Ages and exploration and the things that we are heading towards. But we will take some time to review some of the topics and concepts that we've learned in history from the past. And one of the things that I'm looking to do starting Monday is get more into the usefulness of history. We started this school year actually talking about some of the purposes of history, like why we study it, how can it benefit us. And we're really heading into a time right now, we're currently in a historic time right now, where we're really seeing how some of the lessons from the past could help us today, and in a lot of ways are helping us today. And that's what we're going to kick off with on Monday. We're going to look at a time a little over 100 years ago, almost exactly 100 years ago, because the event really started in 1918 but went on right through 1920. And it was a pandemic known as the Spanish flu. And we're going to look back to how that impacted the world, some of the differences between that event and the current crisis that's going on. And we're also going to look at how the responses of people and governments during that time, both positive and negative, are helping today as we as a people respond to the COVID-19 situation. The assignments that are going to be posted and resources that are going to be posted are going to take rather laid-back approach. Nothing that you do is going to be graded. Like I said in the email that I sent out to you, we're really learning for the sake of learning this time around. I do, though, hope that you take it somewhat seriously and use this as an opportunity to kind of enrich your understanding of some of the things that you're learning in not only social studies class, but in school in general. I will be available throughout the day via email, in typical school hours. Most of what we do is going to be on your own time, so I'll have assignments and resources posted for you usually by 8 a.m. in the morning, so the time that first period class would start, and you could work at them anytime throughout the day that you would like. Once you submit work, I'll be taking a look at it and providing some feedback, but again, I won't be providing any sort of grade at this time. And if that's something that changes as we go on, once I hear from the school district and Mr. Khalifi and Dr. Costello, that might be something that changes as time goes on, but I'll certainly keep you in the loop, and I'm sure the district itself will be in touch as well. But for now, we're just going to be taking a look at some resources. You're going to be completing some assignments, and if you need to get in touch with me, feel free to email me at any time. We could always meet online using Google Hangouts as well. But I look forward to working with you again starting on Monday, and hopefully we'll be back in the classroom before you know it. Have a great rest of your weekend.